When it comes to toilet training your child, we have some helpful hints to make the transition from diapers to potty chair less stressful for you and your child. As Dr. Alexandra Duke of St. Jude Medical Center in Fullerton tells us, you can begin the training at 1 year.
Believe it or not, you can start to prepare your child for toilet training at about 12 months. So when they're just about a year old, you can start, not the potty chair, not any of that, but you're starting to, when you're changing the diaper and you're talking to your baby about, doesn't that feel nice to be clean, a nice, clean, fresh diaper, isn't that nice? You're starting to plant toilet training seeds right there at the diaper table. So you can start at 12 months with talking to your child about this is a natural process. Going to the bathroom is perfectly normal. You don't want any stigma. You want them to feel very comfortable and secure that this is just a natural part of being a human being. And then when they're getting closer to 18 months to 2 years old to 24 months, somewhere in there, then we can get a little bit more adventuresome in what we can do. And some of the things you can do to help to prepare the child for toilet training. If your goal is around 18 to 24 months. Many children are ready at 18 months. Some need a little longer. And most children are all toilet trained by 3 years, but not all. So you've got some time here. And I also want you to really think about the fact that it doesn't happen overnight. It's a whole process, and it often will take up to 3 months to accomplish all of this toilet training stuff. Buy a book on toilet training, on potty training that's for the child, and you read it together. And talk to your child. Use the words that you want your child to use to tell you that he needs or she needs to go to the bathroom. So start talking to them about mommy has to go wee-wee, if that's your word, and if it isn't, let's find a word that you're comfortable with, because you want your child to use that word. And by the time they're starting to talk, these are some nice words that you can use, and it's encouraging your child to sort of let you know when he or she needs to use the bathroom. A potty chair is very important and very nice to have. If you can take your child with you when you go buy a potty chair, that's wonderful. You want your child to feel very secure in the bathroom. So you want to make sure that potty chair, the little one can sit with their feet touching the floor. You don't want to be dangling. You don't want that feeling of falling in. You want this to be a secure, normal, natural, just a process part of everyday living. You also want your child to know, well, what exactly is it that's going to happen? Sometimes it helps to show your little one when you change the diaper and put the bowel movement into the potty chair, into the open potty chair, so they know, oh, well, that's where it's going to go when it comes out of me, not out of my diaper. So they have an idea of what's going to happen. Maybe have them sit on the potty chair just for a few minutes, not for an hour, not until they go, but just to feel comfortable, pull down those pants and have them sit there. If we have success, yay, praise, praise, praise. It's a good thing. If we don't, it's okay. Pull up those pants and off we go for another activity. A lot of us sort of get a sense for when they have to go to the bathroom, maybe they're wiggling around or they're grabbing at certain parts of themselves to let you know that they need to go, and say, when you feel like that, you let mommy know, you let daddy know, so we can take you to use your potty chair. And maybe that potty chair is all decorated with stickers and has their name on it. It's really cool. And so when they're starting to feel they need to go, they might say, Mommy, let's go visit my potty chair. And then I think you'll have a lot more success and not have it be such a struggle. And sometimes there's still going to be accidents. You're still not always going to, it's not 100%. You're going to have some times when it doesn't work. And again, you want to praise, praise, praise when you're successful, and when you're not, that's okay. We'll just try again.